what you want to do is look at how can we upgrade those foods so that you can still enjoy them, but ultimately find a better way to serve your health. So first of all, if we look at this client here that I'm about to run through, they have the protein yogurts. The protein yogurts they selected, Arella, if that's how you pronounce it, that is effectively a good choice because it hasn't got your artificial sweeteners and the ingredient list is quite short. However, it isn't a clean whole food. So again, in order to get a better choice, we want to opt for a high protein but organic product, right? And this product here is kefir, which is helping put good bacteria back in the gut with the probiotics. And it also contains naturally 30 grams of protein as well. So a great choice when it comes to your protein yogurts. Next up, we have your wraps. So again, the wraps he's gone for a wholemeal, better choice because they've got good fiber attached to them. However, the best choice because it removes the seed oils that are typically found within the wraps. So you'll see rapeseed oil, you'll see sunflower oil typically as an ingredient of these things. However, this particular brand here, when you go down to it, you will see it's extra virgin olive oil in the wraps.